Hey guys, good morning to the wonderful area of Belmont. My name is Mike Jimenez, a PM for Golden View, specifically assigned to this wonderful project. It was a two-phase project, a master bathroom and a guest bathroom. So please come with me and let's hear the client's wonderful feedback. Let's go.
When we first bought the house, we were like, oh, we might want to redo the bathrooms at some point. And so after living here for about, I think 2 years, we were like, okay, maybe it's time to do it. And so that's what started it.
We did both bathrooms. So the guest one was pretty obviously the oldest room in the house. So we wanted to change that. And then for the master, there was this shelf here, which was, we didn't really use it. So we want to get rid of it and then just overall give the whole bathroom a refresh. The shower was larger before and we felt like we didn't need that much space in the shower. So we put a tub here and got rid of, there was another cabinet here that we didn't really need.
We wanted something more white and clean because it like brightens up the place and it makes it look a lot larger than it is. A lot of people said just find a contractor, you do everything else yourself. I felt like because there was going to be electricals and plumbing involved, I didn't want to risk that. And so I wanted a company that would take it from start to finish. The design, the permits, everything. So we had talked to a few companies. I feel like Golden View presented itself the best and felt like they would always be responsive. We worked with Estelle. So I sent her quite a few photos of like, oh, we kind of like this part of this shot and this part of that shot. And she was able to put it together. And so we worked pretty closely with her. She like came up with the first mock-up and then we went to go look at like tiles and she gave a lot of suggestions.
I'm very excited to showcase this new renovated bathroom that we did for our suite clients. The master bathroom was in a pretty good shape, but it didn't actually meet their needs. They really wanted to have a separate tub and to have this more kind of open and airy feel in the bathroom, more like a spa-like vibe in it. And I think that the result turned out very, very beautiful.
Yeah, Mike was really helpful in helping us through the whole process. And then, yeah, the quality of work was really good by the whole team. I really enjoyed working with some of the individual construction workers as well. Like they were really nice and helpful, very communicative, so overall.
Thank you for taking a couple minutes of your time to listen to the client's testimonial. If you have any questions about your renovation, I'm Mike from Golden View and I look forward to talking to you.